it again.
A.M. to 4 p.m.
Sunny Shore, Enos from the, right there in front of your face, and it's about 2 hours long, so it's going to be action-packed. We got a lot of
Then I got a phone call from my buddy Raymond Kahn to join on the crew, and that's how I got to where I'm at.
hazard.
Now here's the rest of your weekend rundown. This week's After Hours Report, I'm Maggie Young.
Oh, that looked bad. Oh, oh, that's some